Mustang coupe. These numbers take forever. This phone is getting a little too slow for me, Chris.
It's all good, brother.
All right, this is Chris.
What's going on, everyone?
And he does video editing, and I spotted him at the show, and I'm like, I gotta talk to this guy. Show him what you got. Look at this thing.
DJI Osmo Mobile 2. This thing is insane. If you ever get your hands on one, I guarantee you're gonna love it. We'll take your production to the next level.
I don't know if I ordered that one, but I ordered something like it. Put it in the screen.
Oh, there it is.
Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Look.
And I've been walking around.
Move it around. Show him. Look.
Walking around this whole
Look at that. Look
place.
at that. Now, I'll stop shaking when I have that thing because I'm old now.
His video production's gonna go up that much better.
That much better. I'm gonna be just as good as Chris. So you do video editing. Tell them, how do they get in touch with you if they need video editing?
Yes, so I am a local realtor out of the Philadelphia area with Allison James.
Oh, you're a realtor, not an
Estates and
editor.
Homes.
You're editing your video.
I do editing of my own video
But
for
you
real
sell
estate
homes.
work, but I sell homes.
And buildings and businesses?
Sell it all.
All right, so did you say how to get in touch with you?
So I'll give you the website.
All right, there you go.
www.rdcaffiliates.com.
All right, there's the type right there because I'm a good editor and I put the type in there so you guys can actually read it instead of just hear it. Although he did say it very clear. Thank you, Chris.
Thank you.
I'm so jealous of him right now. Oh.
You'll be even more jealous when he gets one of these. And you
We'll
see
all be
his
jealous.
content. We'll all be jealous.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Thanks. All right, that's cool. Chris has got us hooked up, and I can't wait to get that thing. And I promise, I apologize for the shaky video, but it is what it is, and I'm doing the best I can for you guys. And we got to say goodbye to Rob. Rob's leaving early.
Yep.
I'm gonna be all alone.
Got to do the home life.
Yeah, that's good. He's a good man. He's got a good wife and a good life.
And it was great seeing you after 8 years.
Yeah. Rob and I, did I say it in the beginning of the video series?
I don't know.
Tell him.
Well, I started watching the MustangMedic back when he was doing it
The MustangMedic.
in the driveway.
In the carport.
Yeah. The first video I watched is the video of you with the brake caliper clip-on.
Oh, that video's going through the roof.
Yeah.
I got a video about Don't Do It Brembo brake covers. 500.
Yeah.
It's got 500,000 views
That's
on it,
where
doesn't
I
it?
fa-
It's crazy.
Yep,
It's
found
made
it.
me almost $20. But did you see the Auto Body Man stuff too?
Yeah.
You found the Auto Body
Yep.
Man after MustangMedic?
Yep.
So he got on MustangMedic. A lot of people don't know this, but there's a channel called Auto Body Man. I've never talked about it on MustangMedic, but I'm bringing it up now because I've got a couple channels now. Auto Body Man's got 130 videos on it. It's shade tree mechanic stuff.
Yep.
It just is. Kind of fun, kind of rough edited. And then I started MustangMedic. And now, I'm gonna go into pitch mode. And now I've got a video series called Isolation Kills for people that are dealing with depression. That channel, well, they all have purpose. I mean, MustangMedic is, I'm gonna say it, a little bit bubblegum. It's like, oh, here we're having fun, we're getting all excited about a piece of metal with tires. But Isolation Kills is about dealing with depression and getting better. So if you know anybody that is dealing with depression, who's sad, or you're sad, or you don't want to admit it to anybody, I invite you to go to Isolation Kills and check it out. It's not about getting subscribers. Of course, I like subscribers, so I'm not lying. But it's about saving one life. It's not like saving one Mustang, saving one Mustang, saving the world one Mustang at a time. This is about saving a human life.
I would like to add something to that.
Okay.
I think even if you didn't suffer from depression or anxiety or anything, you should watch it because it might help you deal with someone who is dealing and notice the warning signs of depression and anxiety.
Right. Thank you very much for saying that. Yeah, it is dual purpose. I try to explain what I went through for I'm getting emotional.
Tough time, but things are getting better.
I went through hell, and I got better. I'm not experiencing depression now, and I felt it was my responsibility to share the tools that I learned to get out of depression, because I know it's hell for you if you're dealing with depression. And there's not a lot of crossover from MustangMedic to Isolation Kills. I mean, I've got 13,000 subscribers right now at this time, 13,200, and I got only 100 subscribers at Isolation Kills. But I'll be doing both, guys. So fun on MustangMedic, and keeping it real and serious on Isolation Kills. And thank you for saying that. I really appreciate it. All right, say goodbye to Rob, everybody.
See yous.
All right, just walk away. I'm not going to look. Go ahead. Oh, no, I'm just kidding. All right, I'm going to say goodbye to him, and I'll be back with some more videos about people and Mustangs. Thanks for watching, guys. I sound like I'm signing off. Maybe I am. Oh, we'll see.